Christopher here, the EI guy. You know, I like to bring you that emotional intelligence, both personally and professionally. Listen, just wanted to tap in real quick and talk about like just how emotional intelligence is playing a huge part in me having the ability to basically be my own hedge manager, if you will, of my own money. And teaching you how to day trade has everything to do with showing you how to take the money that you have sitting somewhere right now and have an opportunity to grow it in a short period of time. And so it's Friday, March 25th, and today in 23 minutes, I was able to leverage the money that I have sitting in an account and use it to make an additional $465. Now, the question you have to ask yourself, wherever you have money sitting right now, how is it growing? Right? Is it just sitting still, right? Or is it growing? And what do you have to do to make it grow? And can you make it grow in minutes? That to me is the power of day trading. So before 8 a.m., I was able to grow my money and make an additional $465 in 23 minutes and then go about my business for the day. And practicing emotional intelligence, having a level of self-awareness, being able to manage my reactions, being able in 3 simple steps, understand how to open up a chart, pick an entry point, and get on about my business for the day is the power of becoming an EI day trader. So I'm gonna show you real quick how I did it. And I'm trying to get as many people who wanna listen to understand that there is a beautiful opportunity out here for you to grow your money in a short period of time. And $465 might not sound like a lot of money, but I want you to put in perspective, it's the amount of time that it took to do it. I'm able to do it from the comfort of my own home. And the better you get at it, that $465 could be $4,065, or it could be $40,000, or it could be $400,000. That just depends on how deep you want to go in to trading. But for now, I just want to give you a quick example. And again, I just show these examples because I'm trying to encourage anybody who feel like this is something for them to see how straightforward the process is. A little bit of practice, you can get good at it. And if you use your emotional intelligence and you trade with logic and not emotion, I think you'll do okay. But go ahead, come on in, take a look. Let me show you what I did. It's about 7:43 right now, and I got into this trade at 2071.6. I've already scalped a couple of points, so I'm up to 2074.6, which is a 3-point scalp. Right now, the Russell 2000 is trading at 2077.6. I think there's a little bit of room for one more point. Let's see how this goes. It's kind of dropping down. It's down to 2076.80. I'm gonna give it a moment to see if it will continue to move forward. If not, we already scalped 3 points, and I'm trading 2 contracts at $50 each, so that would just be $300 right now, and it's about 7:44. Next candle is about to form. So what the goal would be is for this to continue to move forward, and that it doesn't reverse, meaning that the price doesn't drop down to my 2074.60 and knock me out the trade. We can see now the next candle at 7:45. Let's see. Okay, so the sellers trying to push the price down a little bit. Let's see if the buyers can get back in there and push it up. If not, then what usually happens, if they push it back down to my last entry point at 2074.60, then I will get knocked out of the trade, and I will have captured 3 points. And today I'm trading 2 contracts at $50 a pop, which means that I would have captured $300 at 7:45 in the morning. But for now, we're still in the trade. It's trading at 2077.2. Looks like the buyers are getting back in the swing of things and maybe pushing the price up continuously. Okay, so we got a little bit momentum. We can look at the MACD and see that there is some divergence. We can look at the histogram and see that it is in an upward movement, a little bit of volume. And so there's not a lot of people pushing. The volume is less than the previous candle, but we are still pushing in the right direction. And so now that we're at 2078, I'm going to go ahead and grab me one more point, because again, I'm trying to stay in this trade. And so I'm just going to get points along the way. All right, so now we're up to 4 points, and we're just going to follow along in this trade, okay? But the real strategy and skill here is just to observe. and wait to see what the market is doing. We're not trying to make the market do anything. We are allowing it to do what it do, and we just, participating, right? So right now it's at 2079. I'm back here at 2075. I want to go ahead and grab one more point because again, we don't know when it's going to turn around. Okay. So again, the strategy here is to capture points as they make themselves available. Okay. And at the same time, stay in the trade as long as possible. Go ahead and go for it now. 77.6. Again, because it's so tight, I'm just going to go ahead. And if it's going to keep going, that's fine. But if not, I'm going to get this point. So got that last final point. Ended up with $465. So, not bad. Look at the activity that happened from 7:30 to 7:53. So it took a little longer than anticipated. It was 23 minutes. So 23 minutes for $465. Again, it happened before 8 o'clock this morning. I'll take it. But that's all I needed as an EI day trader. We get in, we get out, and we get on about our business about the day.